In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delegate access to your Facebook business page to another party, in this case, us. So the first thing you're going to do is log into Facebook, and once you're logged in, you're going to go to your business page. I already have a client pulled up just for this example. So if you don't know how to access your business page, when you log in, click the top drop-down arrow on the top right and hit under your pages right here. You're going to hit see more, or you may just have one page. So just go ahead and click that page. And once it's pulled up, you're going to click on settings on the top right here. And then on the left toolbar, you're going to scroll down until you see page roles and select page roles. At this point, under assign a new page role, you're going to type in a person's name if you're friends with them. You can select their name, or you can type in their email, which is what I suggest. Either method is fine. And then what you're going to do is you're going to select a role for them. Either admin, which gives them full access to your account. They're allowed to add users and delete users, including you. Editor, which allows them to pretty much do everything. Post, comment, share, engage your clients, everything except run ads. You have a moderator. All they're allowed to do is manage the comments and the engagement of people. For example, if someone cusses and you don't want that sort of language on your page, you're allowed to moderate that and delete it. Advertiser, that's just for advertising and boosting posts. Analyst just looks at the insights, the data streams of all the analytics of your site. And then custom is pretty much just a combination of whichever. The most used and the most common one is editor. So go ahead and select that, and then you're good to go. For us specifically at Crane, when you're giving us access, we'll need admin access, because what we do is we create a business manager account that allows us to manage your page and your Facebook ads through a backend system. And to set that up, we do need admin access. So for us, you're going to select admin and then click add. And then once you do that, you're good to go. That's all.